Ilan ang maximum chances sa pag-ibig?
Sa tingin ko wala naman sila chances yun. It doesn't matter kung first chance, second chance, or third chance. Basta mahal mo. Ganun na yan.
What makes love true?
It's about humility, forgiveness, selflessness.
Ano? Anong gusto mong sabihin? Anong gusto mong gawin? Ano?
Hindi na ako sigurado, boss. Hindi na ako sigurado kung tama nagkabalikan mo.
You would always ask me those words I say, and telling me what it means to me. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know.
Kaya ngayong Pasko, ipagdiwag natin ang totoong pag-ibig.
Ano ba ang hugot ng Pasko?
Join us in Intensity's Christmas Party, Hugot Fest!
December 19, 2015.